Hola, hola, Ohms, hola. This is Tony here from LearnOnABodyandPain.com.
God. Hey, what's up, guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyandPaint.com, answering a quick Q&A. Tony, I just painted my wife's Jeep, and most of it turned out pretty good. I used PPG single stage. That's funny because before I even read your text, I looked at the car, at the Jeep, and I was like, that's got to be single stage. With the medium reducer, it was about 70 degrees. Yeah, that's good. I used the Warwick 863H at about 25 psi to the gun. I get areas of bad orange peel. Driver's door, mostly almost like dry spray. I'm not understanding what I'm doing wrong. I have done a few cars in my time and just did 91 Camaro base coat clear coat 2 days before, and it turned out way better. Please help me out. Now, here's the thing. It could be the paint system, okay, that you used. It might have been, maybe you had to reduce it a little bit more, because thicker paint will give you orange peel because you didn't lay it down enough, or it just doesn't flow out. Warwick, I used to recommend these guns. I don't anymore. They've been having quality control issues, so I'm not sure if this is the best gun anymore. 25, you probably could have been spraying at 26, 27, a little bit more pressure. I would think that it's probably your flow out, so I would paint a little slower in those areas and get the paint on really well. And again, maybe reduce your single stage a little bit more. Put like, I don't know what, let's see, what'd you use? PPG single stage. So you could have probably added a little bit more reducer to it to have it a little bit more thinner to flow out better. You know, maybe 5%. I'm not sure how much reducer you put in it. It depends on the exact system you're using. So let's take a look at the pictures here. I mean, it's a nice solid blue. I think I've painted with this color a few times. Looks like a solid blue. I do see the orange peel here. Okay, I see it really well here. So this really doesn't look like orange peel. It looks like just not enough paint. Not enough paint. What you could do with this project now is let it clear for a good 2 weeks. Let it cure, and then spray 2 coats of clear coat on it. That's what I would do. I would sand it down with like 800 grit. Okay, get it all scuffed up. You don't have to sand all the orange peel out, but you could. And then just put 2 heavy coats of clear coat on it. That's what I would do to fix this. This way you don't have to redo the single stage. You actually got clear coat on top of it, which is great. You could actually add flake in it if you want to. You could add some pearl in it if you want to. With that being said, so yeah, that's what I would definitely do. I've seen some of my dad's paint jobs come out like this in the past. Like, back in the day when he was just banging out a quick job, you'll get jobs that come out like this. Also, preparation. What grit did you leave this thing at when you, what grit did you paint over? Maybe it was too rough. I'm not sure what grit you finished at, but this is a good picture. So guys, if you're going to submit questions for me, submit your questions with some photos like this so I can actually see what's going on. It'd be a lot easier for me to help you out. Because I can see like in here, this is common though to have like little mini orange peels in areas like this, these little areas here. This spot's very dry, this patch here. It just looks like you're not spraying enough paint on it. So like I said, what you could do is sand it down and put 2 coats of clear on it. Again, if you're looking to ever upgrade your gun, definitely, and I say this with complete honesty and transparency, this gun, the Atom X27, is a very, very good gun. It'll lay on your paints like $1,000 SATA. It really, really does a very nice job. So check these guns out. If you do have some extra cash you want to upgrade or you want to just get a different gun in the future, check out, and I would definitely test out the Atom series spray guns. So yeah, hopefully this helped you out. Let me know. Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, guys. And yeah, let's see. So if you're brand new to the channel, just trying to get my marker tool here. Click the top right over here and you can grab a free 100-page auto body guide with links to videos and other resources to help you out with your auto body. 100% free, guys. The value there is huge. It's $100 value, this book. I mean, all the content, we just revamped it purely. We put a bunch of new videos, like we're talking about like clear coat issues. There's a video for clear coat. We're talking about setting up your spray gun. Boom, there's a video that goes to spray gun settings. So you're going to love this book. You're going to love it. All right. If you're on a desktop, guys, all you got to do is click the link. I shouldn't even be using blue. Click the link down here if you're on a desktop to grab that free 85-page booklet. Or over here if you're on mobile. Pazow! I'll see you guys later. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon.